All right. Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a question that comes in. This is from a carpet cleaning company. They have a question about AdWords, they have a question about pay-per-click, and they have a question about keyword volume. What should they target? What should they target, or what should they do? How should they handle their AdWords account? And the question is, we do carpet installation in a city. We'll just say that it's Houston, Texas. And okay, so we do carpet installation in Houston, Texas, and we don't sell carpet. But the way that the keyword volume is the keyword volume for carpets Houston is 100K per month. So 100,000 searches are made for that keyword term each month. But the keyword search volume for carpet installation in Houston is only 800 per month. And should we target the larger search term and just get lumped in with that traffic, because half of it is stuff that we don't do. We don't actually sell the carpet. We just install the carpet. We don't sell it. But most of the other people that are bidding on carpets Houston, they're selling it. So what should we do? Understand that Google, most of their money is made through AdWords. So it's in Google's best interest to serve as many ads as possible and as often as possible for as broad as a match to the search terms as possible. So what happens is, in cases like yours where you have a carpet installation business and you're wanting to get new customers, but your search volume is only 800 for what you actually are targeting, Google AdWords, the way that it's set up by default, is it's going to do like more broad match. You're gonna be matching for a lot of things that you're not necessarily able to fulfill, and that's by default. So one thing that you could do if you had other things in there that people were searching for that triggered a click, or it made your ad appear and then they clicked on it, which you can also see that data in AdWords, is you can set up a negative keyword list. Now that's not going to help you with the big search volume carpets Houston, because you want carpet installation Houston. So adding a negative keyword to either carpet or Houston is not going to be in your best interest, though it might help you with some of the other matches, some of the other phrases that Google is probably showing your ad for, and that's probably something you should do, so you're not wasting all your pay-per-click budget on things that aren't going to bring you leads. But what I suggest that you do is set up an exact match keyword phrase, and I believe that you do this in AdWords. I think you use quotes to have a certain phrase. So if you want carpet installation Houston, put that in quotes. Carpet installation Houston, Texas, put that in quotes. Carpet installation Houston, TX, put that in quotes. And Google will serve ads to those specific ones. So as far as the carpets Houston, because most of that is going to be people selling it, you might want to just set up a list where it's only exact match keyword phrases. So don't serve any ads unless it's a list of exact match phrases that we've put in that list. And I know that you're thinking it like the whole volume of that you're missing out on, but the problem is you're going to run through your pay-per-click budget, and you're going to spend probably tens of thousands of dollars on leads that are not for you. They're leads for somebody else that's trying to sell carpet, and you're just going to burn through that money, and you're not necessarily going to get any leads from it. So my advice would be, unless you've got a whole boatload of cash that you're willing to burn through, is set up a list of exact match keywords that you're running ads against, and just don't run ads against anything else. Just run exact match keyword phrases. And you could also probably include some of the suburbs of Houston as well. But that's what I would do if I were you in this case. Don't worry about this big number. I think this is a thing that a lot of people do when it comes to keyword research or looking at keyword search volume, and they look at these really what we call short head keywords, where it's a short phrase and it's a big search volume. But the problem is it's a broad match, and it's often, if you just look at the organic results, it's a mixed bag of stuff, or maybe it's not the thing that you want to rank for, or you want to be found for, not the thing that you're selling, but it's adjacent to it, but it's not the exact thing. You know, don't get blinded by these big keyword volumes. It's not necessarily in your best interest to focus on that. It's probably in your best interest to focus on these medium and smaller volume, but more tightly focused keyword phrases, and go for those in both organic, and then spend your pay-per-click budget on those, because you're going to get higher quality leads, and you're going to be able to close more of those leads and turn them into actual customers without having to spend, 5 figures a month. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO. I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. Thank you to all the new subscribers that have come on recently. I really appreciate it. I'll be here tomorrow. That's all I got for now. Until next time, peace.